Well, did I say how impressed I am with my Osmo Action? It's been the last few days cleaning this up, tidying up, moving stuff in. I've got about 3/4 of my clothes brought into the bus, packed away. So back to the Osmo Action. This little camera has been sitting, I'm now recording at 4K at 30 frames, and sitting turned off for over a week, and it's still got 84% battery after being charged. So contrast to the GoPro, which would go flat overnight. So very happy that I've made the choice. So just a quick boring video just to brag about that. Catch you soon. Bye.